What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Addis and you're welcome. Today's video is all about this vampy look that I just achieved. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just stay tuned and continue watching, and let's get into this video. Now I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution concealer in C12.5 and then just dab it on my face. I'm gonna go in with the FAWN concealer because this is not bright enough, and then just put it just a little bit. So I'm gonna use this W7 Delicious eye color palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color right there. But first I'm gonna go in with one of these colors to use as a transition color. So what I would like to do this part, I'm gonna find like something straight so I can have the curve or the line to do like what I want to do. But just keep watching so you can try and see what I'm trying to show you guys here. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette because it's got this straight line, and I'm gonna do that like so, and just put the eyeshadow around it. Okay, sorry. You can see the line, just forget about that line because you can go over that line again and then correct it. And now I'm crying because I've been crying all day. I've got hay fever and now this is happening. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go back in with the same transition color I used and just blend that out. See what I mean? Actually, I'm gonna go in with this light pink and just put it on top. Then I'm gonna go back in, just add a little bit more, you know. Gonna go in with the little pink and transition color. So that's it for the eyes, guys. Do you like this? Oh, yes, honey. I'm gonna go in with my favorite primer from Primark because it's amazing and you can get it, and I don't want to waste any more primer that I have. Rub it on your beautiful skin. Flawless. So I'm gonna go in again with my favorite foundation from Primark because, to be honest, this foundation actually matches my skin and it makes it look so natural. This is why it's my favorite. As you can see, it's actually going down. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. I'm gonna go in with the concealer, the FAWN concealer that I always use as well, which is probably amazing. It's amazing, not amazing. It's amazing. Now, honey, what you gotta do is blend. I'm gonna go in with my sponge and blend. I'll be using this banana powder from Makeup Revolution just to see how it's going to go out. I'm going to use the same blending brush that I use and just dab that into the powder. Do that. Then just dab that into a straight line, or just... I'll be using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette with this brush and start my contour whilst I'm baking some brown skin cookie. The Kiko Milano Smart, this color, just dab a little bit. It's just like a blusher, but because I'm too dark, it's gonna look like so, but not too much. It's gonna work as a blusher, but at the same time as a contour for you. Now I'm just gonna dust this off. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose.
Invincible.
And then I'm gonna brush that a little bit off. I'm gonna go in bronze glow matte powder 1 Tirachakata, which I don't know how to pronounce, and I'm gonna go over this baking powder. Now I'm gonna spray my face. Where's you going? I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Ooh. So now guys, I'm gonna go in with the same eyeshadow that I used and go below. Now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Gloss Colossal Go Extreme Volume and do my Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this MAC lip liner, which is all mashed up. spray my face one more time whilst that settles. Just a little bit of highlighter, which I can't remember where I got it from. So what I do is just a little bit, just tap tap, blow.
So blend it out.
Brush and just blend it out. Nose is the little bit that's left on the brush. I'll go on my nose, like so. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Listen, this is fire. This is everything, guys. Look at this. I mean, cup look, it's everything. The lips is everything. The eyeshadow is everything. And it's so simple, guys. It's amazing. So yes, this is the finished look for this makeup tutorial. Y'all see that? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends, and a friend would share to their friends. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.